Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is a makeup tutorial, but the makeup is not very heavy sort of a makeup. It's a very everyday kind of a makeup that is very monsoon appropriate as well. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this very everyday sort of a look, please keep on watching. But before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Radhika. I make beauty related content and sometimes vlogs here and there on my YouTube channel, और shorts तो आते ही रहते हैं हर चीज़ के बारे में. So if you enjoy watching such content, please hit that subscribe button down below and also click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, let's get started with this makeup tutorial. तो मॉइस्चराइजर, प्राइमर, फाउंडेशन, ये तीनों मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉज शूटिंग अ डिफरेंट वीडियो गिविंग अ फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस ऑफ द फाउंडेशंस दैट आई एम यूजिंग. Not foundations, foundation that I am using. This is the Earth Rhythm Matte Set Go foundation. मैंने इसका proper first impressions वाला video किया है. I will leave the link of it up here in the eye for you guys to go and check it out. तो इसलिए foundation और जो skin prep वाला जो part है वो already हो चुका है. Now I'm going to start with using the concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is this Photo Focus Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium tawny. I really like this concealer. If you are my subscriber for a really long time, you should know that this has been my staple for over 1.5 to 2 years probably. मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. It's almost on the verge of getting over. मतलब this is probably my third or fourth ट्यूब एंड आई यूज़ दिस अ लॉट. मतलब मुझे अगर कुछ नहीं भी लगाना होता है ना, आई जस्ट यूज़ दिस एंड आई गो एंड माई वर्क इज़ डन. मतलब मुझे कुछ और फिर लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. टेकिंग दिस कंसीलर बफर ब्रश फ्रॉम पैक एक्सट्रोविटा, आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड एवरीथिंग नाइसली, डैबिंग इट. थोड़ा सा आईलिड्स के ऊपर भी टू कैंसल आउट एनी पिगमेंटेशन और डार्कनेस. Next, I'm going to be applying this lip and cheek tint from Earth Rhythm. This is in the shade, I'm not sure. I will leave the shade name in the description below, but I'm not really sure what the shade name is. So this is extremely pigmented. You need to be very careful. इसलिए मैं बस ये इतना सा यूज़ करूँगी. Only this much. This is what the blush situation looks like. I don't want it very out there. I'm just showing you an everyday, easy, breezy, lightweight kind of an summer appropriate look. So yeah, to actually set all of this that you've used on your face in place, and iska upar ka print ja chuka hai, which is why I'm going to show you the bottom of it. This is the Mars translucent powder. So it comes with a puff, but I prefer using this pack pizza slice is what you could say, but it's also a triangular puff is what I would say. So I take a little bit of it on this and I apply it under my eyes, and मैं कुछ 10 सेकंड के लिए इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देती हूँ. I know you might think, oh, it's going to make your under eyes very white and all of that, but give it a bit of time, and trust me when I say this, it's going to blend out very beautifully, setting your under eyes in place and at the same time also not creasing your under eyes really fast. This pointy part I used for the under eye and the eye area. Now this part I'm going to be using it for actually using this powder all over my face, because we need to set the face in this humid season as well. Now that this is done, I am going to go with this powder sculpt brush from Pack Extrovita collection, and I'm going to be applying highlighter. ये sugar का highlighter है in the shade Champagne Champion, and I am going to be picking it up on this, dusting off the excess and applying it on this area, because irrespective of the season, highlighter तो मतलब लगाना is a must. If you feel कि कुछ ज़्यादा लग गया है, take back your foundation brush and just dab it very gently onto the place जहाँ पे भी आपको लग रहा है कि यार बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. मुझे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगा है, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा इसका फाउंडेशन ब्रश को थोड़ा सा डैप कर रही हूँ so that it all blends nicely and at the same time it does not look over as well. I'm not going for an eyeliner today. I usually go for an eyeliner and a kajal, but I'm just going to go with the mascara today. And the mascara that I'm going to be using is this Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black Beauty. ये सिर्फ लेंथ देगा, एक्चुअली ये वॉल्यूम नहीं देगा. So if you only want length in your lashes, definitely go for this mascara because बहुत ही अच्छा mascara है ये for lengthening. I don't apply mascara on my lower lash line. I do not like the way my eyes look after applying mascara on my lower lash line, so no mascara over there. And now we are on the last step of this look, which is a nude lipstick, because when you are doing an everyday look, I would suggest use a nude lipstick because that looks more everyday. This is the Nika K True Matte lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. It's a very beautiful shade. And this is what my makeup look has turned out to be, a very everyday summer appropriate, monsoon appropriate makeup look with a very nice nude lipstick, something that you can carry on a daily basis, especially if you are somebody who goes to office or if you are a college student. Even then you can wear this look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed watching this or not, and also any suggestions, any queries about anything related to this video or anything else in general, leave it in the comment section below and I would love to answer them for you guys. The products that I used in today's video, everything is going to be linked in the description box below for you guys to go and check it out. Also, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.